Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe if you are new here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my perfect, precise, cut up eyeliner. I'm going to show you how I get my perfect cat eye eyeliner or winged liner, whatever you want to call it. I have a few tips and tricks for this, and it has taken me a very long time to learn how to do this on my own. I've watched tons of tutorials myself. I thought I would just share with you guys what I have learned and how I have made the process easier for myself, especially having hooded eyes. Having hooded eyes makes it 10 million times harder to get a good wing. Like, you have no idea. If you don't have hooded eyes, you are so incredibly blessed, because I'm telling you, when you have hooded eyes, it's near impossible to get great wing liner. So I'm going to share with you all my tips and tricks on how I learned how to get the perfect, nice, sharp wing liner, and how I've made it easier for myself. So hopefully you guys pick up on these tricks and test them out yourself and enjoy them, and you're able to create, you know, some fierce looks with, you know, the perfect wing liner. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel before you leave. Join our little family, help us grow. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it very helpful. And leave me a comment down below on what you guys want to see from me, if you have any requests. Also, disclaimer, I'm going to be wearing this outfit. I do have a shirt on. Okay, have a shirt on. I'm going to be wearing this outfit in 2 videos because I'm going to film this video, and then I'm also going to film my Foundation Friday video right now, so we get a 2-in-1 and we get it out of the way. So yeah, if you're excited to see how I apply my wing liner, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper today. And the first thing I'm going to do is start by making a very thin line as close to my lashes as possible, from the inner corner all the way out to the outer corner. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything, it will be covered up. I just want to kind of get a rough sketch of where my eyeliner is going to go. Alright, and then from the outer corner, I'm going to draw a line up towards the tail of my brow and more outward than upward, and following my lower lash line, and then I'm going to connect that line all the way to the inner corner of my eye, just by dragging it in one motion. That way it's not crooked or sketchy or anything like that. I just want a nice clean straight line, and then I'll begin to fill that in. I really like the Kat Von D tattoo liner because the tip of it is so thin and precise, and it's very well saturated. It's not overly saturated where you're going to make a mess, but it's not undersaturated to where you're going to have to keep pressing on it to get product to come out. It's just perfect. Alright, then I'm going to start working on the inner corner because I kind of didn't bring it all the way in. I have kind of a harder time on this eye than I do on my other eye, but I'm just going to kind of start connecting my inner corner to the rest of the liner. And I'm just taking my time with this, doing it super duper slowly, really trying to pay attention, really trying my hardest not to mess it up, but just being very patient with it. That is a really good tip to have when you are doing wing liner, is to be very patient, take your time, go a little bit slower than you would with, you know, just regular liner, and it should come out perfectly. Alright, so my last tip right here is to clean it up. I see a lot of people clean it up with a makeup wipe. I absolutely hate doing that because you can really mess up your liner if you're not careful. So what I like to do is take a brush, a straight lined brush, like a detail brush, and then clean it up with some concealer. That way I have a nice, clean, precise line, but I'm not getting the eyeliner anywhere else or really messing it up. It's just a really great way to clean it up and make it look nice and sharp. And there we go, we have a wing liner. So I'm going to do all the same steps on this eye, kind of go through it a little bit quicker just so you have a little visual of what it looks like when I'm doing the opposite eye. Another tip I have for girls who have hooded eyes who like wings is to wear your hair up. If you pull your hair back as tight as you can, it kind of lifts your eyelids if your eyelids are hooded, and it just makes it a lot more appealing when you have a wing liner on. You definitely don't have to. You can definitely wear your liner, you know, in the same way if your hair is down, but just a little tip is if you like a really nice precise wing liner, it looks really good when you have your hair pulled up. And there we go, we have two wings that are pretty dang identical. Alright, so one more tip is to add a kohl liner to your tight line, because it'll help disguise your lash line a lot better, and it'll blend and you won't have any gaps or anything. So the Kat Von D tattoo liner has a sheen to it, which I do not appreciate. I really like matte liners, so I just took a black eyeshadow and ran it over the liner. Next, I'm going to add my lashes, and another tip is to add lashes that kind of accentuate the cat eye. So a lash that starts shorter and goes out longer will really help you draw more attention to your wing liner, and it's a little bit more flattering. Also, when I have a bold liner like this, I kind of like to wear a little bit more wispy lashes, so that's what you're seeing here. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed learning all my tips and tricks on how I get a really nice sharp wing, especially for hooded eyes. I know it can be a little bit more difficult, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a few new things to help you out with your wing liner. Also, another thing is that my makeup right now is super simple. I just have a bold lip on and minimal makeup. I love wearing wings with minimal makeup. I think they look so beautiful, and they just kind of add like a pop of something to your eyes to make you draw some more attention other than just looking like you have like a no makeup. So I love wearing wings with minimal makeup. I think it's just so feminine and classy and pretty. I love it. And if you're wondering what lip I'm wearing the STUNNA lip paint from Fenty Beauty in Uncensored, the red one. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, join our little family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!